Good morning, students. Today's topic is separating the component of a mixture. Means how the mixture is separated by different methods. Heterogeneous mixture can be separated by simple methods like hand picking, sieving, filtration. Here we take the example of sand solution. This is heterogeneous mixture. These methods are used in our day-to-day life. And some other special methods are also used to separate the component of our mixtures like this: evaporation, centrifugation, separation by using separating funnel, sublimations, distillations. All these are the special methods which are used to separate the component of mixtures. Example: separation of colored component from ink, like dye from ink, how it is separate. Now today I will discuss evaporation method. Evaporation means the process of conversion of a substance from a liquid state to the gaseous state. This process is called as evaporation, and the substance is said to be volatile. Volatile means which can easily evaporate. This method is used for separating a volatile component, that is solvent, from a non-volatile component, that is solute, by heating the mixture. On heating the mixture, the volatile component evaporate. This component evaporate and leaving behind the non-volatile component. Here we take one example. Ink is a mixture of dye and water, that it can easily separated by the process of evaporation. If some ink is heated in a china dish, then the water evaporates and the dye is left in the dish. This is the evaporation process. Here the red dye is separated from the red ink by a special technique that is called as evaporation. In this process, we are placing the drop of ink on a watch glass. This is watch glass, and it is placed over a beaker that is full of water. When the beaker is heated, the water placed inside it that is heated up, and it will cause the evaporation of the liquid from the watch glass. This process, evaporation, means vapors are formed. After some time, a residue will be left on it in the dry state. This one, dry ink are left. This is a red dye. The direct heating of ink drop in this case that is avoided, because it may be just possible that red dye present in the ink that may decomposed during the direct heating, so it should be avoided. So by the help of this evaporation process, we can easily separate the red dye from the red ink. You also observe the phenomena from seawater. A salt like sodium chloride that is easily separated from seawater by simple evaporation process. Seawater is heated in a china dish. The water will slowly evaporate and a white residue of salt will be left behind in the dish. So the sodium chloride easily separated from the seawater. A mixture of salt and water that is easily separated. a mixture of sugar and water that is also easily separated by the process of evaporation. Now the second method is centrifugation. Centrifugation means the separation of colloidal particles from the solution. How the colloidal particles are separated? In this method, the two components having a difference in the densities, means one is heavier and other is lighter, that can be easily separated by centrifugation. What is the principle of this method? The heavier particles are forced to the bottom and lighter particles that is stay at the top when the spun rapidly. It is just like a dryer of washing machine. This method is used to separating the heavy particles and lighter particles from a mixture by using the centrifuging machine. This is a device which is used to separate the liquid from solid by spinning. It is just like a washing dryer. This is called as centrifuge. A centrifugation machine that are commonly used for this method. This is centrifugation machine. This machine can be rotated either by hand or electrically. What are the application of centrifugation techniques? This method is used in diagnostic centers where the tests are performed, like blood test, urine test, etc. Second use, this method is used in washing machines used for washing dirty clothes. Point number 3. This method is used in dairies and homes to separate the butter from creams. How the butter is separated from cream? This is done by the help of centrifugal machine. The given sample of milk is placed in the machine, which is rotated at a very high speed by passing the electric current. The particles of different fats present collide with one another at a very fast speed. Due to this, they combine to form bigger particles in the form of precipitate or residue. This is called as cream. It keeps on escaping from the outlet that is provided, leaving behind the fat-free milk. Single tone and double tone milk, which we find at shop, have been formed in this way. So this method is used for separating the cream from milk. This is just like a washing machine dryer. All these are the applications of centrifugation machine. With the help of spinning, this method is used to separate the colloidal particles from the solution easily. Thank you, students.